Mr. Toad's Wild Ride is a classic Disney dark ride located in Disneyland in Anaheim, California. The ride is loosely based on the classic Wind in the Willows. You begin your journey driving through Toad Hall. Upon leaving Toad Hall, you wind up in the English countryside and city streets, where you ultimately get into all kinds of trouble. Eventually, you are caught and tried for reckless driving. After escaping the courtroom, you ultimately get hit head-on by a train. This is a classic Disney dark ride with a very questionable storyline.
That was